Hey, everyone, welcome back to Over Channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cut, split, or trim your videos using VLC Media Player. It's super easy and takes just a few steps, so let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player. To enable the tools we need, go to the top menu, click on View, and then select Advanced Controls. Now, move the time slider to the exact point where you want to start cutting. For this tutorial, I'll start at the 10-second mark and cut until 15 seconds. To start recording your clip, simply click the red record button and then hit play. If you want more precision, pause the video just before the end, and use the frame-by-frame button to move through the last few seconds. Once you're happy, click the record button again to stop the recording. Your video clip will automatically save to your PC's videos folder. And that's it. You've successfully trimmed or split your video. And that's how you cut, split, or trim videos with VLC Media Player. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Fixmaster for more useful tutorials. Have a great day.